Hello, my name's Emmy. I'm a senior coach at London Speech Workshop. My passion in life is helping people just like you to find their voice. And this means so many different things to so many different people. It might be around gaining more confidence, or it could be about really creating an impact when you speak, or it might be about an accent that's leading to miscommunication. Communication in general has fascinated me my whole life. It's so vital to who we are as humans, to how we navigate through life, to how we connect with one another. Yet for most of us, we don't grow up learning about communication in school. We learn to communicate, but we don't really understand the building blocks. And that's what we do at London Speech Workshop. We have this brilliant, clear, practical method that takes communication and breaks it down into these areas, into these building blocks. Working together, we can help you to find out what you're already doing well, and then which areas you may wish to investigate more, explore, look for new options in. As a coach, I'm fun, I'm friendly, I'm down to earth, and I'm also really laser focused at helping you get to your goals.